how you're going to make yourself a priority every single day, and which way or ways, and do it consistently every single day, little by little. If you don't make your bed, start with making your bed. If you don't brush your teeth, start with brushing your teeth. If you don't get ready for the day, and let's say you work from home or you're a stay-at-home mom, like partially dressed, I would recommend getting as fully dressed as you can, maybe even putting some shoes on. Also, another part of getting ready for the day might be your meditation, your dancing, or your singing, or whatever form of grounding that helps you to get started. So you're going to do that. You're going to figure out what work-life balance is for you, what it looks like, what it sounds like, what it feels like for you, and that's where you're going to start. Because if you want to reach and achieve your dreams, you got to work through all of these 8 things that I'm talking about and get your shit together in these 8 areas. There's more than 8 areas, but this is where you start.